officially decided to switch to an S Corp?
I have.
Pop quiz. What's an S Corp?
Oh, it's a corporation where the income deductions and credits flow through to the shareholders for tax purposes. That helps you avoid double taxation.
That is correct. And the student has become an even better student. Gold star for you. Now, let's get to it. You can switch to an S Corp in 3 easy steps.
All right.
Well, do you mind?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Step 1. Form a limited liability company, aka LLC. If you've already done this, great. If you haven't done this yet, here's what it involves. 1. Filing your articles of organization with your state, which includes your business name, address, members, etc. 2. Creating an operating agreement that outlines your financial and operational processes. 3. Registering your business with your state. 4. Applying for an employer identification number and any licenses and permits required by your city, state, and county. Step 2. Determine if your business is eligible. The IRS has a few rules regarding S Corps. They are: 1. Must be a domestic corporation. That means based in the United States or one of its territories. 2. Must have only one class of stock. 3. Can have no more than 100 shareholders, which we already talked about. 4. Can have no non-resident alien shareholders. In other words, shareholders have to be US residents. 5. Shareholders must be individuals, estates, and certain trusts. If you're a partnership or corporation, sorry, you can't be the owner of an S Corp. Finally, step 3. File IRS Form 2553.
IRS Form 2553? What's that?